It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2019 GMC Canyon All-Terrain. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Canyon. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with auto express windows, the child lock button, power adjustable side mirrors, door storage with a cup holder and a front speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got trailer mode, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and the lighting controls. A power adjustable driver's seat, leather interior with all-terrain embroidery in both front seats. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons and a heated steering wheel button. The right side has our audio buttons. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, some interior light buttons, a place to store your sunglasses, OnStar in the rear view mirror. This is GMC's Infotainment Center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn the guidance off or back on. Our climate control buttons with air conditioning, trailer mode, traction control, hazard lights, box lighting, hill descent control, park assist, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins. This is the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Canyon, we have fog lights, black tow hooks, 17-inch all-terrain wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood, all-terrain badging down the side, rear tinted windows, the rear window slider, and we also have the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate, so we can drop that tailgate down with ease. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner and cargo hooks. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The back of the front passenger seat has a seat pocket. The back of our center console has 2 USB plug-ins and a storage compartment. We've also got under the seat storage located under either of the rear seats. We're able to drop that down by simply pulling the lever on the side of the seat. All-terrain embroidery in both rear seats, and the middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. So come take a look at the 2019 GMC Canyon All-Terrain today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.